Hello guys, welcome back to Mommy and Shafan Diaries. So today we are going to make an amazing and delicious and super easy dessert. This dessert is a combination of jelly, different types of fruits, sweets, milk and cream. Let's start by preparing and setting jelly. You can prepare the jelly mix according to the instruction above the packet of jelly. As per the instructions, I have added 1 cup of boiling hot water. Mix this solution thoroughly so that no lumps leave in. You can even take 2 or more colors of jelly. It will definitely boost up the appearance of the dessert. And then 1 cup of cold water. Mix the whole mixture so well. Pour the mixture into molds or setting tray and keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. I have taken 2 gulab jamuns and cut them into small pieces. You can even take more. The quantity of sweets is totally up to you. I have taken 2 rasgullas as well and cut them into small pieces. Pour 4 cups of full fat milk into saucepan. Add half cup of sugar. You can definitely add more or less as per your interest. When the milk comes to boil, lower the flame and add half cup of vermicelli or semia and let it cook for 5 more minutes on a low flame. Now in another cup, take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and add some milk like around 1 or 2 tablespoons. Then mix this mixture well. Add half tablespoon of rose water in it. Pour this corn flour, milk and rose water mixture into milk. Let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes or until it thickens. Don't forget to stir the spoon well so that no lumps leave in. Although it's completely optional, but the fresh cream or the cream addition into this milk mixture makes it so yummy. So I suggest you not to skip this. I have added around 100 grams of fresh cream, or you can even use a plain cream. As I have mentioned earlier that the quantity of sugar, fruits and sweets are totally up to you. The quantity of cream is also up to you. Now pour the mixture into the serving pot or serving dish and let it cool down. As we have to add fruits and other sweets in the milk, so you have to be very careful that the mixture even should not be warm. It should be completely cooled down before adding any fruits or sweets. Otherwise, the fruits, jelly and sweets will be mushy and it will ruin the texture of dessert. Now demold or cut the jelly into pieces and add them into the semia or vermicelli and milk mixture. Add banana slices. You can even cut the bananas into more small chunks. It's up to you. Now add the pieces of ripe mangoes. And the size of the mangoes is again up to you. But I suggest you not to cut the fruits in very smaller pieces. You can even add some other fruits as well like cherries, sapota, sweet papaya, but avoid melons and oranges. Fruits like oranges and melons will ruin the texture and the consistency of this dessert. Now time to add my favorite ingredient in this dessert, which is rasgulla, which I have cut into pieces. You can even add barfi or kalakand in this dessert instead of rasgulla and gulab jamun. Add gulab jamun pieces into it. Combine all the ingredients with light hands. Don't stir, just mix them lightly. Topping it up with the sugar syrup is completely optional. But I had quarter cup of sugar syrup which I got with the boxes of gulab jamun and rasmalai. So I decided to top up the dessert with the sugar syrup. If you want to add sugar syrup, then you can make it by boiling half cup of sugar with a half cup of water. Boil it until it thickens. The addition of the sugar syrup definitely boosts up the taste of the dessert, but I again want to remind you that it's completely optional. As you have seen, we have added fresh cream, jelly, different types of fruits, and sugar syrup in it. It definitely looks like a queen of dessert. Now we have done with the preparation of this dessert. Now it's a time to shift the serving bowl to the fridge for at least half hour. So dear viewers, now it's time to wrap up the video. Try this Eid special recipe and let me know in the comment box that how's your Doodh Dulari comes out. If you like this recipe, kindly share it with your friends and family.
If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.